Hello Mazda Roadster fans, today we have a Choro-Q Zero. It's number Z-60, so the 60th casting these Choro-Q Zeros have put out. And it looks like it might be new, I don't know, it's got tape on it, but I think like sometimes people just open these and then put tape on it again when they want to sell it. Alright, well, it looks, well, we'll see how it ends up. So it does have these separate mirrors, but they look so small that I'm afraid they'll break off. I'm not going to put them on. Okay, so this is the 4th generation Roadster, or as I like to call it, the Mazda Miata. This is the ND, so being the 4th. And within the ND series, they had a convertible, but they also have this, an RF, which is the retractable fastback. So it's kind of like a targa top. There's the mechanism in operation. So unlike a convertible, the buttresses here always stay in place. So only the top itself retracts. So there it is in the down position. I don't know really why someone would want to buy this. I would just as well buy the regular Miata with the soft top, so it's an actual convertible. Having T-tops, I'm not sure. What do you guys think about that? T-tops or convertible? Actually, it's not a T-top, it's a Targa. Okay. Well, anyways, let's see. Well, the wheels here, they do look pretty good. They look like the 8-spokes found in those photos, and there's a little bit of lug nut details, it looks like. Or am I mistaken? Looks like there's 4 or something there. Sadly, they're not. Well, I was going to say they should be hollow, but maybe they can't, because this is a toy. It's going to be played with, and I think the wheel would crush easily if it wasn't blanked off. This is an interesting color. In the packaging it looks like it could be black, but it's not. It's a dark gray. Just trying to figure out if it's a metallic gray. I think it actually might be metallic. See, you can see a little bit of speckling there. It's really faint, but I think it's there. Yeah, it is metallic. Okay. Well, going to the front, we have the events here. I can't tell if there's black paint in there or not. This is definitely black though, and then it's got a blank license plate. A little chin spoiler you can see. I think that's black as well. The Mazda logo looks good. It's got a graphic here printed on the headlights, so that's nice. And then we have the smoked plastic here of the windshield, and then this one actually has an interior. Well, a pretty decent interior. You usually don't get that with ChoroQs because the wind-up motor takes up so much space, but maybe they changed to a new motor. Anyways, it's nice. It's got a different, color for the seats, and it's got the molded details here. Dashboard there. No actual, well, there is a steering wheel indication right there. It's just very thin. Alright, so the rear glass, whoops. Is there a rear glass? No, there isn't. No rear glass. Okay. There's a bump here. Maybe that's the 3rd brake light. Yeah, I think it is. And then the taillights look good, because you got some silver and red, and this is a different shape with a depression around it. So Z-60, I'm not sure why it says be a driver. Why wouldn't it just say Roadster or Mazda? Weird. You know what? I think this was a used model, because look at all these little scratches. So, yeah. Yeah, I feel like this is probably used and just repackaged. It's a little indication of the reflector, but no red in there. 2 silver exhaust tips. I don't know if that's in the right location. A little vent there, but no black paint. So there's the info on the bottom. Oh, yes, I see. So I'm going to guess number 59 is the actual convertible, and then number 60 is the Roadster RF, the retractable fastback. Production-wise, this was made, let's see, pretty recently, April 2020, not too long ago. Okay. Alright, well, it's not bad. I think the interior was a highlight. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. Alright, well, let's take a closer look at some other models now. I am going to have to get the convertible at some point in time, whenever it comes up at a decent price. We got Darth Vader going on today. Looks like something Darth would drive. Alright, so 1/64 scale wise, I do have the convertible, and this is made by ChoroQ. I do know ChoroQ actually makes the RF version as well, but I just haven't acquired it. I guess it's now on my list of things to buy. So let me get some ChoroQs out. Alright, let's get this out of the way, make some room for ChoroQ time. So I do have the first generation ChoroQ Unos Roadster. It's from the initial D set, and I got some 3D printed wheels there. And then second generation, we have this guy here, again with some 3D wheels. And the third generation has some Hot Wheels on it. Hot Wheels Real Riders. So there it is. That's the 4 generations of the Unos Roadster, or Mazda Roadster, or Miata, or MX-5. I think it's stupid that car companies have different names for cars in different countries. It just makes things really annoying. What do you guys think about that? I think there's a reason why Mercedes and BMW generally name their things just numbers, because those are universal in any country, right? Instead of coming up with names. So anyways, you don't want to offend people with the wrong name. Maybe in Africa, Miata means like she-devil or something, who knows. Okay, well, that's enough for these comparisons and a rant about automotive nomenclature. Let's get Darth back up here. Alright, well, thanks for watching today, and hopefully soon enough I'll get the convertible version of this. Alright, talk to you later.